Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the basics. Assign or reserve a static IP for the Xbox because UPnP needs a consistent address. Next, make sure your router firmware is current. Outdated firmware often breaks UPnP discovery. Once done, reboot both devices, first the router, then the console, to clear stale sessions and force a fresh UPnP request. While they boot, note router model and admin credentials, so you can log in and change NAT, and now you log into the router UI and find the UPnP toggle. Enable it, or if it was enabled, switch it off. Save, then enable again to reset the daemon. Make sure your ISB modem is not performing a second NAT. If it is, set it to bridge mode or disable its router features. Remove any manual port forwards that overlap Xbox Live ports, because manual rules can block UPnP from dynamically assigning what the console needs. Finish by power cycling the Xbox completely, hold the power button until it shuts, wait 10 seconds, then start it after the router is fully up. This forces a new UPnP request. Check network settings on the console to confirm NAT type move to open, which shows UPnP succeeded. If UPnP remains unsuccessful, factory reset the router as a last resort, but first export your config. Sometimes corrupted settings prevent UPnP. One key tip: test with a temporary wired connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.